Okay guys, to make the chicken pot pie, we're going to need pie crust, 1 large potato, bag of mixed vegetables, a family size bag of chicken fajita meat, and also 2 cans of the Campbell's cream of chicken soup. Okay guys, first step is to put your mixed vegetables into the water. Then you're going to cut your potato, and make sure when you cut it, all the pieces are basically the same size if you can, the thickness. Then you're going to dump them into the mixed vegetables, and you're going to let them cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the potatoes get soft. Okay guys, while you have your mixed vegetables and potato cooking, you want to add a little bit of black pepper, some onion powder, and garlic powder to season it. You can add as much as you want. Everything is to your taste. Okay, while the vegetables are cooking, you want to go ahead and cut up your bag of fajita meat into chunks. Okay guys, next, while you're waiting on the vegetables, you want to put a little bit of olive oil on the pan and let it heat up. And then you want to dump the fajita meat in. Of course, the pan is ready when you hear the sizzle. And if you want, you can add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper to the meat. The meat is already seasoned, but just to add a little bit more flavor to it. And cook that up for a couple minutes. It's already pre-cooked, so it's not going to take long. Okay guys, after the chicken had heated up for a couple minutes, I went ahead and poured the cream of chicken soup in it. Just heat that up for a minute or two and that'll be done. Okay guys, I drained the vegetables. Now I'm about to pour it in with the chicken and the cream of chicken soup. Okay. I'm going to mix that around. Okay guys, this is what the filling of the chicken pot pie looks like. Okay guys, you want a 9 by 13 pan. Take one of your pie crusts and spread it around through there. And make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, here we go. I filled the pan up with the filling now. Now all you want to do is go ahead and put your top part of the pie crust on. Okay guys, once you've sealed the pie crust on, you could take a fork and go around like I did on the edges. Put a little imprint on it. You don't want to forget to slice it for air. So you can go ahead and just put a few slices into the top pie crust. It actually kind of looks like an apple pie. You're going to cook this for 30 minutes on the bottom rack. Then you're going to put it up to the top rack the last 15 minutes so it can brown. So the cooking time in total is 45 minutes. The chicken pot pie is finally done. Give it about 10 minutes to cool off, and then you can cut it.